Hello, this is Paul from EMD Porsche Specialist here. But I got a Cayenne, sorry, not a Cayenne, a Porsche 928 GTS, which is the same. Reason why I said Cayenne, because same configuration engine came from this engine. Cayenne engine came from the actual 928. If you think about it. So today we're doing a AC compressor. This one here was leaking really bad. It was just basically covered in actually AC oil. And we need to actually replace this compressor first and then test the system properly. So now we're going to actually test the actual, make sure the clutch is working on this car here. So this is the actual piping that's got to come off. All that's got to come off. Bit tight, but you can still do it. Okay, now we're going to test the system to make sure the actual clutch is working on this AC compressor before we put it back on. So you don't want to put the AC compressor on and nothing works. So pretty much 12 volts. So you're going to see this clicking. So we're going to go straight onto the actual 12 volt. So now you're going to see the clutch moving in. That means it's working. See that? Come back. It's only a small movement, but you can see it. See how it's moving back and forth? So that means this clutch is working. The AC compressor was full of oil. This one here was pretty much nothing inside there. There's nothing inside. Like little, I'll probably say a little. If the bottle was like 500 ml, I'll say this was 500 ml, and then that one was about probably not even 100 mil, maybe 100 mil. So not much oil in this one, the old one, but we checked this one here, was a lot of oil in there already. So alright, now we're ready to actually install this AC compressor, do a regas, and then double check the system, make sure the system works. So we're going to start with the actual most obvious problem first and then work our way back. Okay, that's the oil. Sorry, just want to show you the oil. That's how much oil they came out of the old one compressor. That's how much oil was in the new one. You have to double check the oil, make sure you have the oil already. Doesn't matter if you get a brand new AC compressor, always check how much oil is inside before you actually install it. Okay, thanks for watching and please subscribe.